In this video, we will learn how import and export WordPress website content. At first, go to Tools option from your dashboard. Then click Import option. At the bottom, you can see the WordPress panel. Click the Install Now, and then click the Run Importer. Here, you can choose an XML file to import all the contents of your website. So, click on Choose File, then select your XML file. Next, click on Upload File and Import. After that, select Assign User. Then, check the option of Download and Import File Attachments so that all the pictures or videos will be attached to your post. Click Submit. You can see that all your contents has been imported here. Now you can check your website and you can see that the imported posts and the pictures are there. Next tool is Export, and it is super easy. Click on Tools, then Export option. Here, you can select options according to your preference. I want to export all content, that's why I am choosing All Content option. After that, click Download and Export File button. You can see a XML file has been downloaded. This way, you can effortlessly import and export contents. Hope that you like the video. Thank you for watching.